Have you ever wished for more time in your day? Well, meet Timmy, a little boy who one day, poof, lost a whole hour. One sunny morning, Timmy was busy playing with his favorite red car. Vroom, vroom. He zoomed it all around his room. But when he looked at his clock, something was wrong. An hour was just gone. Where did my hour go? He wondered. Suddenly, a tiny, sparkling creature appeared. It was Tick-Tock, the time fairy. I heard you lost an hour, Timmy, she chirped. Let's go find it. With a wave of her wand, they were whisked away on a magical adventure. Their first stop was Yesterdayland. Everything was happening in reverse. People were walking backward, and birds were flying tail first. Timmy saw himself putting his toys away, something he'd forgotten to do. Oh, he said, I wasted that time not helping. Next, Tick-Tock took him to the land of someday. It was filled with unfinished paintings, unread books, and forgotten dreams. This is where all the I'll do it laters live, Tick-Tock explained softly. Timmy saw a science kit he got for his birthday, still in its box. He had always said he'd build it someday. Finally, they flew to the Garden of Now. It was the most beautiful place Timmy had ever seen. Flowers bloomed in vibrant colors, and children were laughing, playing, and learning together. Every second was filled with joy and purpose. You see, Timmy, said Tick-Tock, you can't find a lost hour. Once it's gone forever. But you can make every new hour count. Timmy understood. He wasn't sad about the lost hour anymore. He was excited for all the hours to come. When they returned to his room, he gave Tick-Tock a big hug. Thank you. From that day on, Timmy didn't waste his time. He played, he learned, he helped, and he cherished every single moment. He knew that time was the most precious gift of all. So, what will you do with your precious time today? Thanks for watching our story. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun adventures. See you next time!